Big fucking truck. Got to go. Ain't perfect. Sure is fun.
You have a job making $500 per week and you have $500 down. We want to improve your credit today.
We want to see you in a Kia.
At Kia of North Grand Rapids on Plainfield Avenue Northeast. Call 800 Kia Cars or visit Kia.
Always remember to keep your windows closed when you go out lunch. Still learning that one. Runs good, drives good. He does have a little bit of a boo-boo there. And kind of a shitty repair by me, but better than nothing. That's a tread on it for sure. Big fucking knobby. Good axle. Power steering is leaky. That kind of fucking sucks. That's the one, but oh, I don't know. You could probably pick it apart if you wanted
to. You can experience every single one of them as much as you can handle. Like shivering timbers and thunderhawks to thrilling water slides like snake pits. It's a combination you don't want to miss. Buy tickets online at
Be the beast. Oh, I think I gotta show you first. Love it. Here's the Power Factory. Probably turn the idle on a little bit. But it's got a big cam in it. Well, not a big cam, I guess. I don't know what the number is. About an RV cam. It's actually a relatively mild cam. Battery, I can tell you that for sure. About it. Well, I still ain't got it perfectly cleaned. I took this mud, I don't know, a little while back. It's not perfectly cleaned up, and I don't know how I'm going to clean it up perfectly. That's for the next guy that wants to clean it. No, I really don't. It's not mine no more. It's yours.